My name is John Ortberg, and I'm one of countless people deeply formed by the work, life, teaching of Dallas Willard. And I want to say a word about the 20th anniversary of Renovation of the Heart. By the time that book came out, I had known of Dallas's work and even known Dallas for several years. I had no idea that book was coming. I had never read or heard him teach on most of that material. What was very striking to me was I've always been most interested in questions around human nature, the human condition. Where does life, God, faith fit in? How do we change? That's why I was so fascinated by the field of psychology and got a PhD in clinical psychology as well as a degree of theology. And we would talk a lot about the issue of integration. How do we integrate theology and psychology? How do we integrate spiritual life and faith into our understanding of the human condition, whatever the social sciences have to say about that? And ironically, I never read anything that had the kind of depth or clarity or wisdom around those questions until I was all done with grad school and read Renovation of the Heart and realized this is what I had been looking for all along. I think it's not an accident that someone with training in philosophy was most equipped to look at not only that discipline, but also at the discipline of psychology. Dallas was a psych minor when he was in college, and at theology and spiritual formation. It's understanding this book of the parts of a person and how to care for those parts and how it is that change happens. And the beauty that takes place when change does happen is unparalleled, life-changing. Get that book and read it, and then read it some more.